Hi, I am Hossein Fazilatpour, your presenter for the first episode of Academic Writing for B1. This video is based on Longman Academic Writing Book 3, Chapter 3, Basic Paragraph Structure. Let's dive right in and see the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. Basic paragraph structure. We've broken these videos into smaller pieces to make it easier for you to learn in one go. In the first part, we're going to identify and write topic sentences and learn all about topic sentences. We're also going to introduce and work on adjectives a little bit. And in the later parts of this, we're going to write supporting sentences to explain or prove the topic sentence. Then we're going to identify and write concluding sentences. Then we're going to delve deeper into structures like subject, verb, object with addition of adverbs and adjectives. And later on, we're going to talk about the technique called outlining to help you to write, revise, and edit academic paragraph about hobbies or sport. Writing model, page 52. In Chapter 2, you learn about narrative paragraphs. Chapter 3 shows how to develop a topic by focusing on one main idea. In an academic paragraph, writers use a common style of organization. They write a general statement to express their main idea about the topic. They follow their topic sentence with supporting information. Then they conclude their paragraph with another general statement. At the end of Chapter 3, you will write a paragraph with this basic structure. Writing model, page 52. The title is Take a Break. In today's busy world, it is easy to forget about the importance of taking time off. Whether it lasts for a couple of hours or a few days, leisure time has specific benefits. First of all, relaxation reduces stress that can lead to serious health problems. For example, some people spend a restful day watching movies or reading. Others play sports. Whatever the activity, they begin to feel physically and emotionally stronger. The next benefit is creativity. Individuals with hobbies such as photography, travel, and music develop new talents and get new ideas that they can use at the school or in the office. Finally, interests outside of work can lead to positive attitude. For instance, when volunteers help children learn to read, they feel wonderful about what they have achieved. Then they feel like working harder when they return to their regular responsibilities. All in all, leisure time helps people stay healthy and has the additional benefit of allowing them to work more industriously and productively. Questions about the model. Look at the title. What is the topic of the paragraph? As you can remember, taking a break was the topic. It means taking time off work. It means relaxing. If you look at the second sentence, what does it say about the topic? Relaxing has a specific benefits. Now, look at the last sentence. Does it summarize the main points or restate the topic sentence in different words? It summarizes the main points. Let's go and take a look. Here, we have take a break. You know the meaning of it. I already told you, means resting. And look at sentence number 2. Whether it lasts for a couple of hours or a few days, leisure time has a specific benefits. So we're going to talk all about benefits of leisure time, not anything else in a paragraph. And let's look at the sentence 12. All in all in summary and things like that reminds us that it is a concluding sentence. All in all, leisure time helps people stay healthy and has the additional benefit of allowing them to work more industriously and productively. Adjectives. Well, adjectives add color and detail to your writing. Here you can see some adjectives from the writing model. They are bold and also underlined. In today's busy world, it is easy to forget about the importance of taking time off. Whether it lasts for a couple of hours or a few days, leisure time has specific benefits. First of all, relaxation reduces stress that can lead to serious health problems. For example, some people will spend a restful day watching movies or reading. Here's a tip. In some cases, you will recognize adjectives by their endings or suffixes. For example, the ending al, able, able, full, ice, ive, less, ous, and y often indicate that the world is an adjective. Not always, often, in most cases. Examples of adjectives with common suffixes. For al, medical, cultural, seasonal. With fu, beautiful, grateful, helpful. IVE, creative, active, expensive. OUS, delicious, dangerous, curious. ABLE, comfortable, reliable, enjoyable. IC, artistic, electric, scientific. Less, hopeless, fearless, endless. Y, sunny, happy, windy. Practice number 1. Make the words adjectives. Here you can pause the video shortly, guess a word, and then continue the video and I will reveal one example. Be aware that there might be other forms of adjectives available, so you can also find more on search engines, AI, or dictionary. Achieve, achievable. Benefit, beneficial. Create, creative. Energize, energetic. Function, functional. Help, helpful. Produce, productive. Read, readable. Study, studious. Stress, stressful. Okay, now let's talk about organization. A paragraph is like a sandwich. The topic sentence and concluding sentence are the two pieces of the bread enclosing the meat, the supporting sentences. So here we have our topic sentence, then we have our supporting sentences, and at the end we have the concluding sentence. The topic sentence presents the main idea of the paragraph. The supporting sentence gives information to explain or prove the main idea, or, as I say, to develop the idea. The concluding sentence summarizes the main idea or restates the topic sentence in different words. Here you can see cucumber, tomato, sausages, cheese, and lettuce. We have varied fillings for sandwich, and for supporting idea we have varied options and structures to use. So we can use explanation, we can use common judgment and common sense, we can use logic, we can use statistics, and we can use arguments, we can use quotations. And as we go along this course, we're going to learn how to use each specific type of supporting sentences more effectively. So it is better to have a diverse tool in hand for your approach to supporting sentences as well. Now let's focus on topic sentence. The topic sentence is the most important sentence in a paragraph. It has two parts, a topic and a controlling idea, as you can see here. In the writing model on page 52, the topic is leisure time. The controlling idea tells the main idea about the topic. It is called the controlling idea because it controls or limits the topic to very specific idea. In the model, the controlling idea is that leisure time is beneficial, as we already discussed about it. Let's look at these examples. Some hobbies are relaxing. So this is the controlling idea. Some hobbies are too expensive. Some jobs are dangerous. Some jobs are repetitive and boring. Some jobs are perfect for students. The topic sentence is usually the first or second sentence in a paragraph. Experienced writers sometimes put topic sentence at the end, but the best place is usually at the beginning. A topic sentence at the beginning of a paragraph gives readers an idea of what they will be reading. This helps them understand the paragraph more easily. Let's go ahead. Another thing that we need to consider for our topic sentence and how to control it, we need to be balanced. It shouldn't be too general, nor it should be too specific. Why? Because if it's too general, we can probably write a book about it. But if it's too specific, we are restricting ourselves and we probably might not be able to produce even 3 sentences, let alone a paragraph. A job is part of life. It is just too broad. Imagine I saying that I want to write a fantasy novel. Is it sci-fi? Is it historical fantasy? Is it romantic fantasy? What genre it is? It is just simply too general. An increasing number of people in the United States work 50 hours a week. What we can say about this? Really nothing. It's a statistic. It can really work as a supporting sentence, but not as a topic sentence. The number of hours that Americans work each week has changed in the past 30 years. Yeah, we can develop it. We can write a good paragraph about how it changed from what to where, and then we will give a summary. Practice 3. Identifying good topic sentences. Well, it is a little bit subjective, but you get the idea of it. If it was good, we're going to use a check mark. If it's too specific, we write too specific. If it's too general, we write too general. It is estimated that leisure time travelers spend more than 500 billion in the United States. It is too specific. It works more as a supporting sentence because it says statistics. Number 2, research shows that here are 3 main purposes for leisure travel. Purpose 1, Purpose 2, Purpose 3, and then we have a conclusion. So it's good. Number 3, digital cameras have several advantages over film cameras. Well, it's good. We're going to talk about some of the advantages that digital cameras have over film camera. It is good. The next one, digital cameras are a common form of technology these days. For me, it's too general. Digital photos are composed of small squares, just like a tiled kitchen floor or bathroom wall. Well, for me it is too specific because it is the definition of a pixel. It's too specific. Learning the meaning of the abbreviations used in text messaging is like learning a new language. Well, yeah, it's a good topic sentence. BRB, BTW, CU, and F2F are abbreviations. Well, it is too specific and probably one of the worst things that you can put as your topic sentence. Smartphones can perform a variety of useful functions. It's good. It's good. It can be a little bit too general though. Consider these 4 factors when buying your next phone. Perfect. Cats have certain characteristics that make them good family pets. I think it's good topic sentence too as well. Animal shelters take care of homeless dogs and cats. Well, this is too specific in my opinion. It gives just definition of animal shelter. It's too general. It is a good idea to volunteer at an animal shelter. It's good. It's good. But it can be far better though. Here is another practice. Trail climbing is the easiest. Climbers just walk along trails to the top of a mountain. The trails are not very steep, but the mountains are small. The second type, rock climbing, takes place on steeper slopes and bigger mountains. Climbers generally have to use special equipment such as climbing shoes, ropes, and metal nails called pitons. The third type is ice climbing. Ice climbing takes place only on a very high mountains and require a lot of special equipments. Equipment used in ice climbing include ice axes and crampons, which are spikes attached to a climber's boot for walking on ice and hard snow. In short, mountain climbing can range from an easy walk to a challenging trek. This is the body, okay, and we want to choose a topic sentence for it. A. There are 3 main types of mountain climbing. Well, it seems to be nice because here we have the trail, then the second type, rock climbing, and the third type, we have ice climbing. Well, it seems good, but let's check other options as well. Mountain climbing requires special skills and equipments. Well, yeah, it talked about it, but was it the main purpose? In my opinion, no, but it's good enough though. The sport of mountain climbing is practiced worldwide. It's not this, surely. Mountain climbing is one of the most difficult sports. Well, no, it's not, because it doesn't talk about the difficulty of it. The best, in my opinion, is A. Okay, in the next video, we'll learn about supporting sentences, the concluding sentences, subject-verb, object combination in a sentence, and outlining. It is the end of section 3.1. Thank you for your time. Please share and subscribe to RoboRadiology channel. It means a lot. We are new and we need a push, so please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.